Yeah, turn it on. We gotta get her at least.
Probably.
Oh my. What the hell?
My God. Oh, let's see what happens. I never saw this animation.
Girl, get the hell out of there.
That's it? You don't
That's
even get to
it?
stab
You don't
her?
even stab?
Oh, that's stupid. There you go. You got
Cook, help me. Cook finally came in.
He stole your kill.
Hey, that's fine. We work together as a family. Leatherface, what are you doing? Hey, we killed the last one. We didn't let her escape. I call that a win in my book. Even though
it's not like half of them escaped.
Cook didn't do shit the whole round. And then he come in and killed the last person? What the hell?